Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet on your iPhones. It's actually very easy to do. Should only take about a minute or two. So I just like to let you guys know as well that I do have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel. So if you guys are interested in cryptocurrencies and how to navigate the crypto space, I really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out into the future. Anyhow, now let's start with the MetaMask wallet. Now this is going to be after you guys already have your MetaMask wallet set up on your iPhones. And I'll show you guys what I mean. So if this is already going to be when you're logged into your wallet on iPhone and you just want to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your networks up in the top section here. Now it's very easy to do this. We're just going to go over to the top left corner of our screen where you see the three lines. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to go over to where it says settings. And then you want to go over to where it says networks. And then click on add network. Now what you guys are going to need to do is you're going to have to go to the link I have in the description as well as in the comment section down below. And it'll have all the information that you guys need to put in here in order to add the Binance Smart Chain. So I'll just show you guys really quickly what this looks like. Now if you guys just go over to the link I have, it'll be over to the Binance Academy's website. And it's going to have all the information here that you guys need to copy into that section on MetaMask. So we just go ahead and copy the new RPC URL first. Copy this. Go back over to our MetaMask. And now for network name, we can put it Smart Chain, just like it says on the website. And then we can paste the RPC URL in here as well. Now the chain ID is 56. The symbol is BNB. And then we can go back over to the website and we can copy the block explorer URL as well, just like this. And one thing I like to point out as well is make sure you guys don't have any spaces in the copying of the URL. Just make sure it's perfect, just like that. Come back over here, paste the block explorer URL, and then click on add. Once you guys do this, you will then see the Smart Chain network on the top as your wallet, and then BNB in your token list here. And you know it's working when you click on wallet, and then you see the Smart Chain network here at the bottom. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to add the Smart Chain network onto MetaMask on your iPhones. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.